Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how you can set any image or pattern as the filling of a vector shape inside Affinity Designer version 2 using the vector flood fill tool and its bitmap filling feature. And this way you're also able to scale up or scale down the image or the pattern filling as well as rotate your filling. And I will show you this real quick with a new clean artboard. I already prepared a pattern for the showcase right here. And got this fox vector shape from freepik.com for the showcase. And if we now want to set this pattern as the filling of this vector shape of this fox, we need to navigate on the left side of our overview right here and click on the vector flood fill tool, or you can also use the shortcut on your keyboard. Then keep everything as it is, select fit mode minimum fit and click right here to set the bitmap fill. So to choose the image you want to set as the filling. Right here, I've already exported the pattern I created. Of course, you can use any image, any pattern you have or you've downloaded somewhere on the internet. And then we are clicking open, and we can now click on any vector shape you want to fill with this tool selected. So you can see that this tool is selected, and then click. And there we have set our pattern, our image as the filling of this vector shape. And if you now navigate to the tools again and click on the gradient tool or use the shortcut for the gradient tool, you are able to adjust this pattern. So you see you can scale it up or down, so down and scale it up. And you're also able to rotate it. And by holding down shift, you can also rotate in 45-degree steps, something like this. Scale it up, scale it down. We will keep it basic, so like this, and maybe scale it up a little bit like this. And we have set the filling for our fox vector shape. The cool thing about this is that we now have the filling right here in our swatches, and we can click on this little icon to add this filling to our colors. And that way we could, for example, create a new shape. Before we jump back in, I just want to share something exciting with you. I've recently given my Gumroad store a full makeover. You will now find my Affinity Designer 2 course along with Wallpaper Packs and Logo Templates, and I'm constantly adding fresh digital products in new categories, so there's always something new to explore. Right now you can grab anything with 50% off using the code NEW50, but only until September 1st, 2025. The store link is down in the video description, or you can head straight to audist.gumroad.com. Alright, let's get back to the video. This will automatically use the pattern, so we will, for the demonstration, recolor this one with red, remove this, and we could now, for example, select from our collection this pattern filling and then adjust it that way with the gradient tool, like we already know, for example, like this. Of course, this works on any vector shape inside Affinity Designer. So for example, also with a circle, we're holding down shift to keep the proportions. And if you've used it as your recent filling, it auto adjusts to any new shape you're creating. And sometimes you can get some strange looking filling because it's not adjusted. And if you want to fix it like this, for example, simply click on your vector flood fill tool again and click on your shape again, and it will be filled again with the selected image. If your image isn't selected anymore, of course, you need to reselect it again right here with set bitmap fill, and then you can again adjust it that way. Or like we've already seen, you can click your saved color, your saved filling, if you like to save it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next video, and bye.